Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Midi keyboard in BandLab. Using Midi keyboard with BandLab allows you to turn your ideas into music more naturally, just like playing a real instrument but with endless digital sounds. So first what you have to do is you need to start by plugging your Midi keyboard into your computer using a USB cable. Most modern keyboards support this, and once connected your computer should automatically recognize it with a few seconds if it's your first time. Windows may install drivers in the background, and make sure your keyboard is powered on, and some require an external power source while others are powered directly through the USB. After that, open to your web browser, and in the top you can find there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. Then once you get into this interface of a BandLab, what you can do is you can also go to the previous draft project, or you can simply create a new one. As I'm going to select this previous project, go to the studio over here. To actually hear a sound, you can also add a track over here, and after that BandLab give you a range of instrument option like piano, bass, guitar, sample, virtual instrument as well, which is the Midi keyboard. You can click onto this here and choose one of the sound your Midi keyboard will control here. You can play the keyboard. Once the instrument track is ready, you can press the keys on your Midi over here, and after that you can record your performance in this red icon as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Midi keyboard with BandLab. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.